And hey guys, Manga for Dummies Second Edition. This is going to be my 5th for Dummies edition coming up. Don't forget to order. We're pre-ordering right now. Go ahead, scan the barcode, and without any further delay, here we go.
Shut up and sit down.
What's up, guys? This is Kensuke, KensukeART.com, author and illustrator for Manga for Dummies and for Drawing for Dummies. I'm back today with an interesting update that recently came out from Wacom. This is on the 21st of November, 2024. I know we're in December, but I just looked onto the website to see that they had updated their drivers. Now, why is this so significant? Well, this is because about a year ago, I did a YouTube video on how I was experiencing buggy pen display issues on Clip Studio Paint. For example, I could not use the multifunction tools on the pen to zoom in and zoom out, and I had to resort to using the keyboard, which wouldn't work. All sorts of just bad stuff. So it was not a good driver. So I just found this new posting that's saying that sure enough, it wasn't just me. They also found some problems and they finally fixed it. Now, why it took them a year to do it, I have no idea. Wacom, come on. It's been a year. You can do it. You can fix it. Anywho, it's done. They've made that improvement, and hopefully, this issue has been resolved. Fingers crossed. Did I say fingers crossed? Yes, fingers crossed. Resolved. So I haven't done it yet. I'm just still a little bit paranoid. I'm still using the old driver from a year before to a year and a half ago. If you guys want to take the plunge, be my guest. Go ahead and give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for today, guys. Really short driver update. I just had to get it out there because, like many of you guys, the Wacom tablet is something that is essential to us all. Hope you like this video, guys. Hey, listen, Manga for Dummies Second Edition is coming your way next month, January 2025. Go tell your friends, pick it up, make an order on it. Really excited about how everything turned out. So until then, guys, in Christ peace, bye.